Hello, very easy way how to check it's real honey or not. So put a little bit of honey, better on some flat surface, just a little bit, and cold water. Cold water, otherwise it will absorb very quickly. And we'll do really simple manipulation, same like to see the future. So, if it will be no pattern, just the waves or something, it's probably fake, like a lot of fake honey from China. They even put some wax and bees up there. If you will see the clear hexagons, it means it's natural honey, because honey have a memory, same like water and everything else. If you see not clear hexagons, so probably it's mixed with the sugar or who knows what else. So basically in our case we can see almost the hexagons, but I wouldn't say it's clear. So probably this honey was mixed with sugar. I think here more than half of sugar up here. That's it. It's fake everywhere. Can you see up here or not?